Okay, guys, I plan to sort it using the sort function. This is a solution of the part that I tell you that, okay, we have the score.csv and now we can write the new file using this kind of loop for line in lines. But now we need to sort it from high to low, high sum score to low score, low sum score. So what we have to do is we have to create our list again. So this one is line, right? And then we have to find the sum score and add it to like the first element. So guys, I will create for line in lines, and then I will create a sum score. That will be, guys, lines you must start from index 1, right? Because the first one is the header. So if we add it here, so you can see that this one is the data that we want. Okay, so after we have this, we will add not the line, but we have to add the line along with the summation. So summation is line dot split here, right? Sum dot split, and we want to use index from 1 as the first element. Guys, we will do it incrementally. So you will have something like this. Using this statement, that you add line dot split comma as the first element, and the second element of each list is the original line. So now we have a list here, right? So guys, I will change it to integer first. Okay, so I will use a line, the list. Okay, for element in this list, we will change it to integer. So this is the result. Oh, I think I try to incrementally add it, but it's still have like an error here because I put the closing square bracket in the wrong place. We use the list comprehension here, right? So guys, next, run it. Oh, sorry. For line, oh, for, sorry, line dots. For e in line dot split, for e in line dot split, we create a list of integer. Okay, we create a list of integer. A moment. Okay, this one should be fine. Yes, we change the type of the string into the integer using this part, right? This is the part of that you use to create a new element, right? This one. This is list of two elements. The first one is the list of quiz score. This one created by the list comprehension. And the second one is the original line. And then guys, because this is a list of integer already, so I use the function sum. Oh, invalid syntax again. A moment. Oh, sorry. I put it in the wrong place. It must be this place. the first element, sum of the first element. So now we have this part already. We have this part already. Finally, we can have a list like sorted, sorted. This one, but reverse from high to low. So, so you will get the sum of the score, and you have the list of like sum of the score and the original data here. So now you can keep it in the data like sum score again, for example. Okay, finish. And now for a element in sum score, it is a list, right, of two elements. So if I print the element 1, what does it mean? Because the element in the sum score, it is a list of lists, right? And it has like I will print the element first, so you can see this one, right? So if I want to print the sum the total score, it will be element 0, right? And if I want to print the original line, it will be the second one, right? So I will print this one. This one will be the original line, right? Right? And then I will add it. I will add it with the string element 0. Okay. So guys, here this one will be the result. Oh, sorry. I forgot to add the comma one. So this is the result that we want, right? Okay, so this is the ID and the scores and the total scores. So you can print it. Once you can print it, I think it's easy, right, to write in the file. So I'll do it again. File is open. It's the sorted score.csv and write it, right? And then I'll change print to file dot write, and don't forget to add a new line character here. And once you finish, file dot close, so this one is the final result. So you have a new file here called the sorted score. So you can watch, or you can see the content here, more sorted score.csv. Run it, and you see the result here. Can you see? The first element, the first line is the line that contains the highest total score. So guys, this one is the one that we can use the list and list operation to do like very complicated operations, but you can after you know like the function of sort, function sum, and you know the list comprehension, I think you can handle it easily, right? We can make we can like use the list comprehension to compress the statements into like one line, and that can make your program like short and compact. But if you write it like this, maybe it's a little bit difficult for other people to read your or to understand your code. So maybe you need to add some comments in each line. But this is like an example, so you can watch it later and try, and or you can try to pause and try to run it, try to think about it. Because in the video, you can see that I write it like very fast, but maybe you have to use 5 minutes or 10 minutes to create one line of this. But in the video, it's just like 10 seconds. So you have to pause and you have to play with it. So guys, I think this one is the end of the original version of the video clips of the list. Hope you enjoy it and hope you can use the list and all of the operations relating to the list to process your data. Thank you very much and hope you enjoy this one.